Hi everyone, I'm host Ian, and today I'm going to show you how to cook pan-fried miso salmon with Twisties and how the Vision's Induction Instant Disc helps in prep and cooking. Before we start cooking, let me show you how this multifunctional Induction Instant Disc speeds up the thawing of frozen salmon as compared to regular methods. This aluminum alloy plated disc, with its stainless steel compound bottom, acts as a heat converter which makes thawing efficient and effortless. Just lay your foot flat on Vision's Induction Instant Disc to defrost. Now, let's see how this Induction Instant Disc helps in protecting your cookware when cooking. With the Induction Instant Disc, you can save your cookware from having unsightly burn marks from flames by placing it between the gas stove and your cookware. It conducts heat evenly and stays heated for a period of time, even after switching off your stove. Now, even your glass cookware can be used on induction cookers. With the Vision's Induction Instant Disc, now I can prepare my meals more efficiently and cook without worrying about scratching my cookware. Get yours today at leading departmental stores in Singapore.